What's up, everybody? It's Tony. Last week's video was about a groundhog that I took back to the wild. He was a cute little fella, and I'm so happy I did that. Today's video, I wanted to show you guys some guitar chords. If you didn't know that about me, I play guitar and I enjoy doing it. So let's get to the chords, baby. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you guys the A chord, the D chord, and the A minor chord. And we're going to start with the A chord first, which is basically one of the easiest chords to learn for a beginner guitarist because it's just like a bar movement and a bar shape. And let's get to it. Alright, so this is going to be the A chord, which I'm about to show you guys right now. For this chord, you want to have the A string open, the D string on the 2nd fret pointer finger, the G string on the 2nd fret, also same finger, and the B string 2nd fret. And with the last string, you don't want it to sound at all because obviously it's not going to be the same sound. So you want also to mute this one up top with your thumb or something with that in that way to not make the E string make noise either. So you want all this in one unison. Let's see how I strum all the strings with my thumb. Obviously I can use my ring finger, my pointer finger, but this is the sound you want to be looking for. And the D chord is another fan favorite that I'm going to also teach. And we're going to put every finger in the right area so it can strum nicely and evenly so you can have a nice sounding D chord. Alright, up next we got the D chord, a nice bright sounding chord. We're going to start with the open D chord, open D string, and that's how you want it to sound. Then with your pointer finger on the 2nd fret on the G string, you're going to want to stab it on right there. Then on the 3rd fret with your ring finger, you want to stab it right here on the B string. And with your middle finger, you want the 2nd fret on the E string. So this is exactly the sound you want to go for. Nice bright sound. Strumming it down like this. You can finger play it. Now I'm going to teach you about the A minor, which is a rather sad chord. Obviously it's a minor sound, not a major. And by the way, the D was a major. I forgot to say that. And the A minor is a minor and the A is an A major. But the A minor and A major are different because they're different sounds, obviously. And we're going to hear the A minor sound a little more darker than the A. Alright, lastly we got the A minor, which is that dark chord I was telling you guys about. We're going to have the A string open. We're going to put the middle finger on your 2nd fret D string, your ring finger on the 2nd fret G string, and the 1st fret, your pointer finger right here on the B string. And then you want your E string open. So it should sound like this. And that's how she should be sounding. Alright guys, and that's going to wrap up the video. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe and like the video. Till next time.